Hi, it's Joe from JB. AI is a hot topic right now, so we wanted to give you some top tips on how you can chat with Gemini, an AI assistant from Google on an Android. On Android devices, the Gemini app is right there on your phone for help anytime you need it. Chat with Gemini to supercharge your creativity and productivity. Need help planning an event, writing an email, or learning something new? Just ask. Use text, voice, photos, and your camera to get help in new ways. Let me show you a few ways you can chat with Gemini once the app is downloaded. The Gemini overlay is a quick and easy way to get help right on your phone. Depending on your Android device, it may be accessed via a long press on the power button, or it could be a corner swipe. Gemini can go beyond text to images and videos, and now connects to even more of the apps you rely on day to day. For example, I come across this image on socials. There are no details in the caption, and I'd love to know more as a potential holiday destination. I can just upload this image into Gemini and ask, what monument is this, where is it located, and what is its history? Great, it's the Taj Mahal in India. I know I want to look for plane tickets, but I can't while I'm at work. So I asked Gemini to set a reminder to check ticket prices tonight at 7. And there you go. You can also talk it out live with Gemini. This is the most natural way to interact with Gemini. Go live to brainstorm ideas, simplify complex topics, and rehearse for important moments with real-time responses. Say I'm struggling to think of a gift for my niece's birthday. Talking it out live with Gemini helps me get started with some ideas. After choosing a voice I like, I can start chatting. What are some gifts for kids that have a learning element under $50?
There are tons of great gifts for kids that are both fun and educational.
All this can be done without switching apps and is available as standard on your Android device. While today we've used the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra to demonstrate Gemini, the functionality is available across all Android brands, including Pixel, Samsung, Motorola, and more. If you want to know more about how Gemini can help you day to day, pop by a local JB and ask one of the team for a demonstration.